the limited data. First of all, we analyze the problem and pick the 2 points like the physical mental problem and child labor and exploitation abuse as our overall objective and specific objective. In overall objective, contribute to the well-being of children in Nepal. It's our overall objective. And the specific objective will reduce children exploitation in brick kiln capitals. The result one is brick kiln owners informed and sensitized on their social responsibilities. Result number 2, access to the health care facilities. Result 3, alternative education model established. Result 4, implementation of government policy lobbying. These are the 4 objectives. For these 4 objectives, we develop the output and outcomes.
For all those results and outcomes, they are interlinked with each other. Like if we intervene for number 1 result, then the number of brick kilns owner agree to consider their attitude towards the children. It supports like the children health is improved, children are educated, and the government are agreed to implement their policies, then it will affect our outcome or specific objective outcome. Better living conditions for the children in kilns, like education, health, treatment, environment, and nutritious food. Better living. And the outcome will be number of children in brick kilns reduced. In every year, the number is going to be reduced. And our overall objective outcome will link with this improved physical and mental health of the children.